Can frame damage cause other problems? Have you ever wondered if frame damage could lead to more than just a bent structure? It turns out that frame damage can indeed cause a range of issues that go beyond the initial impact. Understanding these problems is essential, especially when navigating the auto insurance claims process and estimating vehicle damage. When a vehicle's frame is compromised, it affects the core structure designed to absorb and distribute impact forces during a collision. If the frame is bent, cracked, or misaligned, several safety risks emerge. A damaged frame weakens the vehicle's ability to protect its occupants in future accidents. This means that in the event of another collision, the vehicle may not absorb impacts properly, increasing the risk of injury. Moreover, frame damage can lead to handling and driving issues. Misalignment often makes steering difficult and uncomfortable. This can also impact the suspension system, resulting in uneven tire wear and potential mechanical failures down the line. The extra stress on suspension components and tires can lead to increased wear and tear, meaning more frequent replacements and higher maintenance costs. Another consequence of frame damage is reduced fuel efficiency. Misalignment and aerodynamic imbalance can increase drag, causing the vehicle to consume more fuel than it should. This not only affects your wallet but also contributes to a larger carbon footprint. From a legal and insurance perspective, driving a vehicle with known frame damage can lead to complications. It may violate safety standards, resulting in legal consequences. Insurance companies might refuse coverage or reduce payouts if frame damage is not disclosed or improperly repaired. Additionally, frame damage typically lowers a car's market value by 10 to 20%, even after professional repairs. Many dealerships and certified pre-owned programs may reject cars with frame damage histories, limiting your selling options. In some cases, if the cost to repair frame damage exceeds a certain percentage of the vehicle's value, often between 60 and 80% depending on state regulations, insurers may declare the vehicle a total loss. This means you could receive a payout instead of repair coverage. When it comes to the auto insurance claims process, frame damage complicates damage estimation and repair approval. Insurance adjusters carefully assess the extent of frame damage to determine whether repairs are feasible or if the vehicle should be totaled. Comprehensive or collision cover may cover frame repairs if the vehicle is not totaled, but be aware that premiums can increase afterward. In summary, frame damage can lead to safety hazards, mechanical problems, legal issues, and financial consequences related to insurance claims and vehicle value. Addressing frame damage promptly with professional repairs and understanding your insurance coverage are key to managing these risks effectively.